When SMC and ICT no longer work, I want you to do this. I don't want you to forget the knowledge you have, but I want you to sit on sidelines, either do the opposite or enter only when you would have gotten taken out. Let me explain. So I'm gonna do this with a pair that I don't even trade. I normally trade EU and GU. I'm gonna do this in UJ just to show you how it's in all domains and it's not bullshit. Okay, so you got this relative equal lows, correct? 1, 2, 3 touches right here. Okay, we go lower on the time frame. We take them out, being impulse. All right. We even do some more takeovers. Again, when you see this, no working structure, maybe you got people placing themselves around here. Okay, they get trapped by this being impulse. This being impulse, and then follows up by a run of by a run. Okay, but let's say you stay on higher time frames, and you saw price breaking it and doing a change of character, correct? You saw price taking out the big liquidity for support and resistance traders. They're out. You got your order block right here for the smart money concept. But this breaker structure, this change of character with a wick doesn't look that good. Plus, your position is like every other smart money trader. So, boom, you got taken out. And even after being taken out, they even do another trap. Like, this is the craziest thing about the market. Like, when do you know the trap is over? Well, has everybody been taken out of the trade? This is why it's a complex subject, but the structure here is clearly bearish and giving out inducements. This is not protected, and it gives enough movement, enough liquidity for it to go down, sorry. We got a trap on the larger side and a trap on the lower side as well. So in here we already did the trap on the higher side, and in here we did it on the lower side because we did another breaker structure, super liquidity and breaker structure, because this was in the same day. Like, if it's too high on the time frame, it's too visible, it's too noticeable for most of the people. So you really gotta think on a larger scale, meaning multiple days, or the 15 minutes or intersession, and then on lower scales, because the only breaker structure you got here is this one after that. And then if we're taking all this whole trap, it's 1, 2, 3 days that it has taken for it to be complete. And then once we take out this smart money trap here, where you would place yourself, you just wait, and then you got the correct breaker structure, and you can place yourself here, because we took all this liquidity out. And guess what? This beautiful trend line that got taken. And then you also got another confluence, which is the liquidity cycle. We liquidate the lows to liquidate highs. This is how price moves from one liquidity to another. Liquidate the lows to liquidate the highs to the lows and out to the highs. You can notice as well, what's this? Nice trend line. Okay, so this is how you gotta see the markets, and you can also expect for price to go lower, probably because here we had this trend line, okay, that got taken out. Boom, market shift, or whatever you want to call it, and place yourself on the mitigation and take advantage of the dip. All right, because we also went up a lot, so now we got to retrace. And now that we took the lows, took the highs, now we're gonna take the lows again, probably, maybe. And you got this. Like, how do you know when the move is over? Like here, okay, we took out this liquidity, and you can even see like it did a move here. All right, it's breaking structure internally, and it looks kind of good. Okay, because we break liquidity, we break it again, and then we do a breaker structure. But if you look on the higher time frame, you got a trend line, and we also got this trend line beautiful right here to target. but just wait. Then we hit the trend line, but you don't short it straight ahead. We give small little initiation. You can't see it on a 4 hour, but I guarantee you there's a breaker structure here. Alright? And then we run them again. And once we run them again, you got the true move that's delivered. And that true move is to take out the spots where the liquidity is. For example, this trend line. And then we just continue with the order flow. But if you run the cash flow trades, it's like this. You can see how we took it. You got your inducement and you got price testing right here. You can easily place yourself on this line, on this imbalance, and get a beautiful risk reward. And I'm saying that in a trade, in a pair that I don't even trade. That's how my logic works in any market. But if you really want to get it for free, you can join the group, and I'm giving it always in USD and GBP/USD. It's my partner, but you can see me giving out my analysis right here on a daily for free. And if you want to join, links in the description, absolutely for free for the moment. Take advantage if you're an action taker. If you're not, just continue to be a bitch, unprofitable bitch that's just gonna cry. And as a take action, if you want a fast track, you can just click the other link in the description to work personally with me if you really are exceptional and you're down to take the work and ready to change your life. If not, just continue to blow challenges, I guess. Bye.